Morning, everybody. It's Jahida. Just Jahida. Coming to you on Vlogmas number 12. You see this? That means it's time to get baking. Anyway, and then I got my little bleach water over there to wash dishes as I go. But anyway, I'm just coming to open up the vlog. Baking a cake. Anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Here's the cake without the icing. So this tree has air diffusers, y'all. Look. Aroma diffuser, excuse me. And a bottle opener. Stocking stuff for gifts, y'all, and this $1 at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree's card collection, or yeah, they have a good amount, and for $1, and I think some of them are 2 for $1. My daughter said her baby has to wear a mask too, so
bringing the granddollies to the store.
She's safe too. The tree got earrings. Get out of here. Go ahead. It's her Christmas party. Let me see, Elf.
Kind of elf-like.
The sun is glaring. I gotta come for a different angle. Hold on. Here she is. Getting in the car. Let me get her whole outfit. She sitting there talking about tell her when. Turn around, say hi.
Hey, I'm festive. What can I tell you? So our Christmas party is going to be painted with a twist. So it'll be fun. I have my chilled cupcake Kool-Aid. And so we're going to go have a good time. And when I come back, again, since I'm all festive, then it is my pawpaw's 82nd birthday. Yay! I'm gonna come back and open some gifts, and by the time I get back, I'm gonna be feeling real good because she needs to film him. Y'all look at him.
Y'all, Pawpaw, her dad, my Pawpaw, I don't know what she's saying.
He's 82 years old today. And look at him. Cut over to him, wasn't this yours? Look at this man. See you later, Papa.
Everybody, it's just Jahida. Just Jahida. Opening up the vlog for Vlogmas day number, what's today? Oh, 13. Vlogmas day number 13. Y'all haven't got any footage for today, so I just thought I'd pop in and say, hey y'all. I'm gonna get a little bit more footage for the end of this day. I have a lot of footage from yesterday, but I really didn't go too many places. I'm at the storage, excuse me. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. We're going to the post office, so I might show us going to the post office. Anyway, I'll see y'all in a minute. Hi everybody, just Jahida coming to close out this weekend vlog. It's like 1 a.m. Anyway, I had a very eventful day, none to say the least. Anyway, so I was coming to close it out. Y'all, just words of advice. Check on your family and stay prayerful with things. And just know that sometimes everybody doesn't have the best intentions. And unfortunately, it could be people in your family or married into your family. So always keep God first. And if something tells you, if you have a strong urge to go help or do something, even if it's not what they want you to do, go with that gut feeling, because 9 times out of 10, you had that feeling for a reason. So always go with your gut and just keep God first and stay prayed up. And I didn't have much footage for today, but I just wanted to leave y'all with that little token. Go with your gut, trust God. Just Jahida, and I will see y'all later in the next one. Bye.